Hi, I'm Shavi. I'm 25 years old. Most people think that trading is an easier way to get rich.
For investing, that's for people who already have money. Neither of that is right.
If you choose one income stream, you could lose a lot of money.
Let me tell you what is right and what is wrong. I have worked for 7 years, and these 7 years I always wanted a passive income. But I always had this doubt, should I go for trading or should I invest? And after 3 years of my experience, today I am ready to tell you guys what is better for a beginner.
Most of you think that trading is an easy way to get rich. But investing, you think that it's for people who already have money. Neither of that is right. If you're planning on investing or trading, if you do not know the difference, you will lose a lot of money.
From my 7 years experience, I always wanted a passive income, trading, investment, YouTube, content creation, etc. But from trading and investment, I always was keen.
Now, let me explain what is trading. Trading is buying or selling of financial assets. It could be stock, it could be commodities like gold, anything. Trading lasts for hours, maximum for days. Now, let me give you an example. The movement of price is what trading is. Example, $5,000 on gold right now. If you think that the gold price is going to increase, then you buy. When the value of the gold goes to $5,050, then you sell. The profit that you made is $50, and that's what trading is. In trading, you watch charts and earn. It's quick money, but there's a catch. But here's what most people avoid on their YouTube thumbnails. Trading is a full time job. It takes real skill and emotional balance to do trading. Beginners who get into it lose their money in months. Not because they're dumb, because they didn't know about the rules. Now, let's talk about investing. It's a completely different mindset. Just like trading, you invest in stock, mutual fund, etc. This could be for months or for years. The goal here is not short term profit, it's to let your money grow over time. Think of Warren Buffett. He doesn't buy or sell every day, but he buys a company that he believes in, and once the company grows, then he sells it. That's the power of investing. Patience is the key.
Now, here's something that blew my mind when I saw it for the first time. Imagine you invest $10,000 with an annual return of 12%. In 20 years, you get a return of $96,000 without you doing anything. This is money growing by itself, and this is the power of compounding.
Okay, let's be straight with each other. Both have advantages and both have real risks involved. So here are the difference between trading and investing.
This is what the reality and the expectations are, and this is what most YouTube channels don't come out honest about. Now, if you're going into trading, imagining that your investment will double within a short duration of time, it can or it won't. But as per the statistics, it won't. This is not me being negative, it's what clearly the stats show.
Professional traders earn up to 3 to 5% of their investment. The beginners think that it is easy to double up the money and thus end up losing a lot of money. Keep this in your mind. And in investing, the stock market average is around 10 to 12% per year historically. It's not very easy, it's not very fast, but in 10 to 20 years' time, it's life changing.
Now, I'll be honest, I've been on both sides, the rush of trading and the patience of investment. Think the biggest mistake I did was thinking one is better than the other. Neither is better, neither is worse. They're both tools, and you should know when and what tool to use.
Now, if you are a beginner, what should you do? I would say you start with investment. Why? Because investment is a long time process where you learn patience without any emotional chaos. You do not see the market go against you within seconds. Investment teaches you how the market works and how companies grow. And When you have experienced the investment for 6 to 12 months, then you hop on to trading with real money, because when you have your real money, the stakes are high, the stakes are real. That's when you know about the game. The real formula here is to keep investing, invest consistently, and learn trading side by side. There's no shortcut, this is the real path.
Now, that's the answer to trading versus investing. Neither of you being rich faster, but with the right combination, you can grow.
If you like the content, subscribe and also like the video, because I'm documenting the entire journey of becoming a full-time trader and a full-time content creator. The real wins, the real losses. So you don't make the same mistakes I did. See you in the next one.